Hello, I'm Jason Hawkins, founder and president of LIGHTPATH Wealth Advisors, where we provide education and guidance through life's financial journey. This week, we're starting the first of a 5-part series on the most common life insurance questions we hear from prospective clients. Now, nobody enjoys talking about life insurance as it's difficult to think about our own mortality or that of our loved ones. But without someone initiating that conversation, it's difficult to get the education you need regarding the benefits of being protected, as well as the wealth accumulation opportunities that exist to ensure long-term security for you and your loved ones. It's these topics that we'll be focused on in this video series. I hope you enjoy. Employer-sponsored life insurance can be a nice benefit for those of us that are fortunate enough to have it. It normally consists of basic group life, and typical coverage can range anywhere from $25,000 to 2 times an employee's annual salary. Because this benefit is free to the employee and coverage is generally guaranteed, we strongly encourage that you take advantage of this benefit. But is it enough protection for you and your family? Unfortunately, in most cases, it's not. If you're single with no dependents and have little debt, or if you're an older individual with grown children and no mortgage, your employer may in fact provide enough life insurance to cover any end-of-life expenses and tax burdens that could negatively impact these family members that you leave behind. But if you have a spouse or other dependents as well as other large financial obligations like a mortgage, it may be critical to seek additional coverage. Another disadvantage in tying your life insurance protection to your current job is that people are unlikely to stay with the same employer their entire career. In fact, statistics would show that on average we make 5 to 7 job changes throughout the course of our working years. What you'll find is that most of the time your policy isn't portable, and not every employer offers employee-sponsored life insurance. In that case, you can go out and buy an individual policy, but it's important to understand that the cost of life insurance rises as you age. Not to mention, you never know when you might develop a medical condition that could significantly raise your rates or make it impossible to get coverage. This is why we encourage our clients not to procrastinate and to take advantage of the lower fixed rates while they can. So that concludes part 1 of this 5-part question and answer series. I want to thank you for taking time to watch, and be on the lookout for subsequent videos in this series to be released in the coming weeks. If you have questions pertaining to the benefits of life insurance and how they can fit into your overall financial plan, I encourage you to reach out to us at solutions@lightpathwealth.com and feel free to schedule an appointment for a free evaluation. Until next time, this is Jason Hawkins with LIGHTPATH Wealth Advisors, where we help you navigate the retirement journey together.